Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be using this stamping plate by Clear Jelly Stamper. And here's the stamping plate. Now let's peel off the blue protective film. Now let's start the layered stamping. After all of that, it's time to apply top coat. If you want to check out this stamping plate, the link is available on the description box below. And don't forget to follow Clear Jelly Stamper on Facebook and on Instagram. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!